Let's see what we got. What's in the box? The paper looks like it's recyclable. I love that. Oh my, nice organic spinach. Dinner. Wow, look how big that is. These are pretty big. Okay, I like that. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Some green beans. Wow, celery. And we also got some organic Imperial Sugar Plum grape tomatoes. We don't need to go shopping. And that was why I did this. It was so that I didn't have to go shopping. Turnips and carrots and potatoes. Oh my, and it's super cold too. It's, you know, kind of got its, we got some apples. Rainier Organic Honeycrisp apples. Love that. Gotta love that. Oh wow, even a lime. Because I don't often get them, but I need them. And then these look like amazing carrots, right? Just really, I mean, why make it go to waste? Some even greater stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm really thrilled with this. So turnips, which I hardly ever buy, but here they are. They're beautiful root vegetables. This I'm super excited about. Shimeji. These are organic. Oh my gosh, beach mushrooms. I was just looking at an article and a recipe inside of Living magazine, Martha Stewart, and they had some recipes, I believe, for this. Or if it wasn't Martha Stewart, it might have been Eating Well. Lodo rice, short grain rice. I'm curious about that one. I didn't know that was coming. Ooh, and black quinoa. And I gotta tell you, I've never had black quinoa before. So this is all the more exciting for us to experience. Some beautiful sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh. Giant! Super massive sweet potatoes there. I think they're sweet potatoes. A couple more potatoes. And another lime. Gotta love that. For, ooh, what is this again? I forgot. It is a persimmon. They're so good. I'm sure it's a persimmon.
Is that a fruit?
It's a fruit, and they're so delicious.
Wow.
They're really, really good.
It looks like an orange combined with an apple.
Apple, it does. Well, it kind of tastes more crisp and appley, but a little more mealy than an apple. Not as juicy as an orange. I think that's how I could describe it for you, but you just gotta taste it to know and check it out yourself.
Super duper.
Well, I am super thrilled with this box, and I can't wait. Yeah, Imperfect Foods. So, yeah, I'm thrilled with this box. I cannot wait to go ahead and start cooking from my bevy of fruit, plentiful fruit. Bye for now.